this is Eric from Satisfied Incorporated. Today I wanted to show you tire valve install, a valve stem install. So this is supposed to be pretty easy, but it's hit or miss for me. It'll either go in easy or it won't go in at all. So I'll just show you real quick and we'll see if I'm successful or we'll see if we laugh. So you need this tire stem install. So it's basically this handle here, and then the valve stem screws on the end, and then you have this funnel of sorts that you'll put this into. We're gonna put it on here. We're gonna smash that down. Hopefully it goes in. So let's see how it goes. I use a little bit of PB Blaster. Lube it up. If it spills out the back there, I just kind of put it all over the valve stem. So, and we're just gonna put that thing down in there, and then you aim the best you can. This one made it like halfway in, so I'm gonna try and finish it with my screwdriver. There we go. So, and then just unscrew the valve stem, maybe. So just unscrew the valve stem. It should be installed there. So, like I say, it's kind of hit or miss for me. Sometimes they'll go halfway in. Sometimes they'll completely miss. But if you're looking for a way to install your valve stems, this is doable. It's not perfect, but it definitely works. So if you enjoyed this video, check out satisfiedincorporated.com. You know, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Just trying to pass the information, the good word. Thanks for watching.